All right, let's do a little role play. Let's say you've been in your home for 20 years and you're seeing that the market is super high right now. So you want to take advantage of the appreciation because you have some equity in your home now. And you want to move on to a better neighborhood or a bigger house or whatever it might be. You want to just take advantage of the extra money that you have from your home. So you get a realtor, which you're supposed to do, which is great. And they put it on the market. And if you're in Dallas Fort Worth, you probably have an offer within the next day or two, or maybe a week or so. And you get it under contract and they give you the exact price that you want. The only thing is your realtor says, hey, we got an inspection period. After we get past the inspection period, and we'll be good to go. So the inspector comes out, gives you the report, and you look at the report and you realize, oh man, like they're really like beating up my house. I've lived in this house for 20 years and I didn't realize any of this really needs to be done. But a person looking outside in is coming in and telling me that my roof is messed up, my foundation is pretty bad, and X, Y, and Z. So the seller's realtor tells your realtor, hey, our lender's not gonna be able to lend on this home simply because the house is just so beat up. What can we do? So this video right here is going to give you a few tips that you can do if the inspector comes back with a bad inspection report. So number one is you can just have it re-inspected by a different inspector, because truthfully, when it comes to appraisals, inspections, BPO, stuff like that, it's all relatively biased. Like one person's gonna say that you need this, but another person might come back and say, no, you don't really need it and the house is fine. So a second inspection might be good. The second thing you can do is renegotiate with the buyer and basically say, hey, we'll take X amount of dollars off, or we'll pay for your closing costs, or whatever it might be, for me not to have to do these different repairs. Now that's might only work with like smaller repairs, but when it comes to like foundation and like the roof and stuff like that, I'm not quite sure if they'll be willing to negotiate, or if their lender's gonna be able to let them lend on a house that the house is about to fall down because the foundation is terrible. The third thing you can do is simply just go back and fix whatever needs to be fixed before the sales date. Now that might be a little expensive. You might have to come out of your pockets a little bit, but it'll be worth it with the equity that you get and you being able to move forward and sell this house. And then the final thing is you can just simply reconsider even selling your home on the market. If all of that seems like too much, you having to either go back and get it re-inspected, or you having to put in extra money that you weren't expecting to put into the home just so you can sell it for a certain price, maybe that doesn't seem like it's worth it for you. You'd rather just sell it as is. So if you would rather just sell it as is, you can go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com, and we do buy homes as is. And even if you just want to see what the numbers would be, you selling it on market versus what we would be able to give you, we can give you a no hassle offer within 24 hours. So go to our website again. It's www.nowpropertyinvest.com. Look forward to working with you soon.